Today we're doing surf and turf. So what we've got is it's some steak. It's rump steak because I was late getting to the market and that's all we had left. So that's what we've got, piece of rump steak. And then what I've got is just some cod, skinless, boneless cod. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this into, I'm going to make this a Cajun fish. Basically, I'll put a Cajun coating on it, and I'm just going to grill the steak. I'll be just grilling the steak, 4 minutes each side, salt and pepper. Jobs are good, and that's going to give me like medium rare steak. Nice. I'll be having the grill will be as hot as it can go, and the steak's going to be as close to the heat as on the top shelf, as high as that can go. I'm going to be shallow frying the fish. I'm going to make the Cajun coating up in a minute, and I'll just get the ingredients out, and then we'll come back and we'll concentrate on doing this. For the Cajun coating for the fish, what it is, I've got some Cajun spice, and then I'm plain flour. So what I need to do is, it's about 8-to-1, so I'm going to start off. I'll put like 8 spoons of flour into this tub, 2, 4 to 1 spoon of Cajun, 4 so far. So what I'll do is I'll just cut a good spoonful of that, spoonful of Cajun. Just have a little bit more, just because. And obviously 4 more flour. Cool. Lid on. Just give that a good shake and a mix up. I mean, what I'm going to do is, obviously, that I'm going to crack an egg into here, and then I'm going to dip the fish in the egg and in the flour to form the coating, and then shallow fry it. So, right. So we've given that a good shake up and a mix up. So that's got Cajun in the flour. I put 2 eggs in just to make sure I've got enough, because I'm filming it. I'm sure 1 will be fine, but so I'm using 2 to coat this. I will cut them off anyway in a minute. Now the thing is, this is all time sensitive, as you probably know. The steak is going to be 4 minutes aside, no more than that. That's for me medium rare, no more, no less. The fish is going to probably want 5 minutes aside. So obviously, when I start to go, I need to move. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put some pepper on the steak. What I tend to do is grill the steak for 1 of the minutes, then pull it out when it's sealed. Then I put salt on. But first of all, I'll put the pepper on. Then I'll do the fish, and then we're good to go. So, plain pepper. So then what I'm doing is, everyone knows how to do steak, or you do or you don't. Personally, I like to just rub the pepper into it. There you go, so that's that. Fish, I'm going to literally, I'll just cut it up into smaller bits. I used to do fish fingers like this, but I used to do fish fingers like this, but I find that it just cooks nicely when I just cut it into chunks like that type of size. Doing like that. Essentially just into the egg. Into the flour. And I will double do these. I will go through them again. Just coat that in there. Right, so I've double dipped these in the egg and put the flour on them, and then now I'm into the frying pan with them. Like that, they're going to get 10 minutes, 5 minutes each, 5 minutes each side. Right, but obviously it's a busy thing doing this now, so I need to be onto my steak. Yep, right, and in. Right, the steak's had 1 minute, so now I'm going to literally put some salt on it now it's sealed it. I'm back in for a further 3 minutes. Right, the steak's had done on one side, so obviously I'm just going to turn the bad boy over. Wow, ouch. Again, pepper. I probably won't go so crazy on the pepper this time because I had loads on the other side. But, you know, get salt and pepper's nice. The fish is like, obviously starting to take shape. I'll turn them over. I'll just rub this pepper in a touch. Back in for one of the 3 minutes. Steak's sealed on that side, it's at 1 minute. Now I'll add some more salt. I'm back in for a further 3 minutes.
Yeah, just whatever, because it's going to have to warm up. Right, are you ready?
Shall I get...
You ready?
May as well get this out now. You can film me while I'm doing this if you want. Okay. Go on.
Go.
The steak's done, the steak's had its time, 4 minutes each side. It's important to let the steak rest to let all the tendons relax again before you cut into it. And obviously you don't want to like lose all its juices and stuff. So now I'll get the fish out. I'll just drain these on a little bit of kitchen towel. You see like the Cajuns put like a lovely coating on them. It's like a very subtle Cajun flavouring. It don't overpower the fish. I mean, this was cod, but you can use any fish you like. You know, your favourite fish is really truly obviously what you want to use. So that's kind of that. So here we go, plate it up. We've got a lovely medium rare steak, juicy as you like. I'll just cut into the fish now. See how this is. And a lovely flaky, nice fish inside. Cajun rump steak with chips and bread and butter. Oh, and a can of beer.